Okay, today we'll be working on a piece of practice glass. First procedure you want to do is to put your inspection mirror inside on the windshield. The next procedure is to drill with a pulsating action in and out until you hit the lamination. Screw your injector into the bridge so the threads are just showing. Next is to back your plunger out until you got 1/4 of an inch between your injector body and your top of your plunger. Next, fill the front of your plunger with resin until it's full. Mount your bridge onto your windshield, always above your brake. Line your injector up with your brake. Mount your bridge so it is level with the windshield. Next is to screw your plunger down till it makes contact with the glass. Be careful not to over tighten. You just want a good seal. Next procedure is to back your plunger out approximately 3/8 of an inch. Allow 2 to 3 minutes to vacuum. After vacuum time, screw plunger down until you start to feel pressure. Allow to fill 2 to 3 minutes. After pressure time, repeat process until brake is clear or completely filled. After chip is clear and filled, apply the ultraviolet light to cure the resin under pressure for 2 to 3 minutes. After the light has been on 2 to 3 minutes, you want to remove the bridge, put your cure film over the brake, apply a drop of resin, allow to cure in sunlight or with ultraviolet light for at least 4 minutes. After the time, remove the light, remove the cure film from the brake. Use your razor blade to shave the excess resin off of the windshield. After the resin is shaved off, apply some polish. Polish the brake until clear. After polishing, use your glass cleaner, clean the outside of the glass. Then you can remove your mirror and clean the inside of the glass where mirror was applied. And that's the final process of the stone chip repair. Always remember to use your sun shield whenever you're repairing outdoors. We will be demonstrating on a piece of used glass today. First procedure is install inspection mirror on the inside of the glass. Next procedure is to drill at the end of the crack into the lamination. Next, thread injector into bridge. Next procedure, lubricate suction cup and glass. Mount bridge on glass with injector over drill hole. Thread injector in to make contact to the glass with a firm seal. Remove plunger from injector body. Fill your syringe with approximately 6 cc's of resin. Insert into injector body. Insert plunger. Apply pressure. Begin sliding bridge along the crack with the resin filling right in front of the injector. Go approximately 2 inches. Apply some resin and cure tape to the 2 inches that you have filled. If you would happen to get ahead of your resin where it's filling, come back off, back down, back on your crack, and continue on, always adding a little bit of pressure as you go, as you need. Continue every 2 inches to install your tape. Bring your bridge off of the windshield. After your bridge is off, install your light, or if you're outside, take your sun shield off. Once your resin has cured, take your razor blade, scrape the excess film and resin off the windshield. Clean your windshield. Take your mirror off the inside, and that's the procedure for doing long cracks. For demonstration, we've only filled about 4 inches of this crack